Yes sir, yes sir. So let's do USA 30 before NFP. It's like 30 minutes before. You see, so what I can literally say, using my technical analysis, I can know my highest point in which we're probably gonna get if it's a buy. You understand? And my lowest point in which I'm looking forward. Then obviously you see I see this literally trend, is this funky trend, guys. It's an uptrend. It's a sort of, it's like what do you call this? It's a family of uptrends type thing. We had like lows that are broken inside to show that we have changed direction. You see here we haven't literally touched here to push further down, and we can check our medium nearest support in terms of being this one, which is probably our 61.8 zone using the Fibonacci. And as you can see, this support also extends to these off a trend. See, so that's sit on this support and form a pattern to the previous highs. You see, because we are still inside, we are still looking forward for a reversal probably, or we can be consolidating before we break the support, you see, or we can still be doing this, you see. So it's the same scenario as here. We're literally gonna use our support and resistance to jump from our lowest point to our highest point with it. You see, that's something like this. So as you can see, we haven't touched here, and the pattern that's like here, it's a bilateral pattern. A bilateral pattern is just a pattern that shows you we have two directions. Like, it's not an uptrend that you know that when it breaks you have to do this. This thing can literally go down and come back inside and do this. You get it? It's a bilateral pattern. So this is the pattern that we are literally fighting before NFP, in which what we are looking forward is an impulse movement to the upside using these trends stop loss. We have this support right here. Yeah, you see the support here is the most dangerous one. So yeah, right here. So as much as this support is broken, then you'll have something like this to the downside. But then if it's not, we have a formation already, which is something like what do you call this? A double bottom. See, using this support, you see, it's a very strong support. You see here, it supported this price, supported this price, supported this price, and these prices, what do you call this? The candlesticks, they are very impulsive from this point. You see, impulsive. So as far as half past is gonna hit, well, it's still here. We're still looking for an impulse movement again, because we know that at this zone we look forward for impulse movement to the upwards direction. You get it? So that's for NFP, which is the 6th of January.
Damn, this shit exclusive.
Yes sir, welcome back. It happened, guys. You see that that thing that I said, yeah, to say that a double bottom can okay. It happened. So like, I don't wanna lie, I don't wanna show fake things, but then I entered a sell, right? I was seeing a sell. I was more, as you can see right there, that 215, that's the negative that I got from that buy. But right now, see, my account is back now. It was on, it went back to, it was literally on 700 actually. Yeah, it means that I took a loss also yesterday. Then it was on 700, then I took this loss at 3:30. Then see USA 30, it kicked me out, but I came in back again. You see, now it just shot up just like that, like, yo, dude, like, before I started this video it wasn't like this, bruh. What the hell? Hold on. What the? bro. Hey, you guys are a miracle, guys. So I entered this. Damn. I'm throwing right now. Yo, wait. I boo. I just a nice way to start the year, guys. I don't wanna lie. I entered this because, as you can see, we're on our resistant level. Then after NFP, it broke. You see, it came here. Then now I knew that we were literally waiting for a retest, in which we got it on a smaller time frame. That's why you saw me on M5. You see, we got the retest to the upside. So I entered this movement. I was supposed to literally wait on 3:30 because I mean there was no use for me to enter that probability like gambling. So I could have just used my technicals, in which I was able. You see, it went up, then it came to retest. So I just took the loss. Then I had to understand why I took the loss. Then it's like, no, it broke. If it broke, then it has to retest and go up. So I entered my buys again to risk it all. Without any further ado, I think I'm out, guys. TVs are going to get no cap in this rap shit, my boy. Damn. 1,000 USD. I can't wait for my 1,000 USD. First 1,000 flip from 400. Yeah, this loss is hitting me now. Yeah, but at least I made it back. This flip is from like last year. I funded 400 USD. I was supposed to double it. I was unable, but since I got my time right, I just did it. I just did it. 1,000 USD on the board. On Instagram, that's double L banks. Cause we get in the bag. We get in the bag. Yeah, this is about it. Shish. I'm gonna like my new post, man. You don't wanna see me there. I'm handsome, bro. Yeah, I'm handsome, bro. I'm killing you like that. You get it? Easy. Let's go. Easy. Easy. Damn. Nah, I'm closing. Hold on. So without any further ado, guys, I want to see you guys in the next video.
She sent me a text, won't answer her call. She love when I flex and shop in the mall. Relieving her stress, I beat down her walls. She skied on her chest, she kissing my balls. We speedy in the bed, don't stop for the loss. BB's on my neck, I shine in the dark. It's easy to slip, don't want you to fall. Walking with the drip, that make a ball. Shoot your shit up, I got accurate aim. Fucked up a few mil, now I'm back like I came. That boy said my name, I went got me some strange. You know I don't crash, I just stay in my lane. Don't compare because we not the same. Go on and no gimmick, ain't clowning for fame. I trap for a living and been had a name.